the beginning, there were only 4 elements, somewhere around 1033. Water, earth, fire, and air. Whoa. Featuring the cast and crew, well, the most important ones. And A. Sokka, Sokko, Zuko, Sensitive, Too Ugly, Grandpa, Appa, Momo. Many things will change his fit in this. Read the description. Brother, are you helping me? Or no? Sokko, you stink. Why am I always? I hate this pasta. We're stuck in a sea of air pasta 87 or 87 air pasta. I never understood, but can you just eat? Sokko. No, that's not friend. They're there now. We need to eat. Wait, you can walk under Ben. What? Why? You want me to do everything? Yeah, you want to get whoa, that's too close. That's too close, brother. Oh, where did you get that water from? Brother, just... Oh, sorry, no fucking there. Let me get out. Whoa. No, get in. Whoa. Hey, look, someone's in the iceberg. Wait, I've seen this somewhere. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Brother, don't try to. It's dangerous. I don't care. You're dangerous. Our family's dangerous. Someone's in prison. Whoa. Oh my God. It's a kid. That's the end of this part, but this is just a trailer. Just wait till the full thing comes out.